Saya ajukan penanya maju ke depan dapat hadiah. Udah siap ya? Siap? Siap. Okay, listen carefully. I have a favorite man. I have a favorite man who lives in Indonesia. He is tall, slim, and a little bit black, but not very black. He is thin. Remember that? He is thin. He is very popular in Indonesia. His name was popular has been popular about 3 years ago. About 3 years ago. He was the mayor of a city in Java, or exactly in Central Java. And after his popularity in Java, in East Java, Central Java, and then he was elected to be the first man of governor in Jakarta, DKI Jakarta. And now, he is the first man of our country, Indonesia. Who is he? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand and come here. Not answer on your sitting. Raise your hand and come here. I will give you the present. Please.
Come on.
Yang berani terus aja kita.
Come on. Anybody?
Berani bangun terus.
Anybody? Tidak ada.